The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch.
Dancehall. What we gotta get on the floor for? Man, this against our rights, bro. Y'all got guns pointed at us. We work here. For what? For what? Why y'all treating us like criminals? Man, I work here. Man, fuck out, man. Man, we work here, bro. We work here. Y'all putting guns on us. Hold it, be quiet. Man, y'all drawing down on us for no reason. Alright, put your guns up. Put your guns up.
Chill out.
Man, put your guns up.
Listen, we gotta get it figured out. We're trying to save lives.
Alright, you don't gotta put your finger on the. You don't. Man. Put your guns down, man. We ain't no threat. We ain't no threat to y'all. Y'all got y'all guns set up. We work here, bro.
Hey, y'all be quiet, please.
What? Man.
Where did they go?
Outside. Yeah. Hey, man, y'all got y'all guns out, bro. We work here just like y'all do.
But you got the wrong shot on the floor.
All right, well, put your guns down. We ain't in no threat. Ain't nobody here got no weapons. We got. Yeah. Hey, put your guns down, bro. We ain't nobody here.
Hey, please be quiet.
Man.
Be quiet. Be quiet.
Why?
Listen.
Man, they come down here, run on us with.
Outside of here in the mall area. Okay, not in my shop. Okay, it was a bunch of kids. 15, 16, I don't know. They started throwing chairs and they ran out of this. Did you hear any shooting? I ain't hear no shooting.
It wasn't no shooting.
Because I was right here watching. And then they all ran out. They went out to dick. Any of them go to JCP? I don't know. They ran dick. I'm on this team. So for you guys to come down here
and put guns,
please,
man.
take my whole shot down.
You gotta see what happened. You gotta see our side. We get a call of an active shooter at the
But y'all putting guns on us and we ain't armed.
Let me finish. We get a call, it's at this shop, there's an active shooter here. That's all the information.
Okay, so where the shooter at?
You wanna watch my camera? Let me finish, I can explain it all. We get a call, it's this shop. So we get here, we want to control the scene to be sure no one else dies.
I have cameras.
Man, hey, say, man, fuck out, man. Why we on the ground for, bro?
Just get down, bro.
Why we on the, man, I know my rights, bro. This is a place of business. I'm a businessman, bro. I'm a businessman. Y'all treating us like we criminals.
Y'all chill out.
Hey, I don't got no warrants, bro. I'm good. Yeah, I'm just saying you treating us like criminals, bro. Okay. You said upon us, man. I'm not no criminal, bro. I'm not about to lay down like everybody else, dog. Hell yeah. I know my rights, man. You ain't gonna tell me to lay down like I'm a dog. What? Yeah, okay, yeah. I'm good. I'm good, man. I know my rights though, bro. Yeah, we business, man. We run a business in here. Yeah. The fuck?
Hey, y'all scoot back.
Yeah, nah, fuck. I got me fucked up.
Easy, bro.
Yeah, they got me fucked up. Some kids in here fighting and shit, bro. And then they police gonna run down on us talking about, y'all got me fucked up. Man. Cause somebody was fighting, young nigga was fighting in motherfucking town in this mall, man. They got me fucked up. I ain't getting on the floor like a dog. Shit. Yeah. Man, they come in here. They come in here like they Call of Duty or something. Everybody got an M16 or assault rifle, pointing guns at us like we criminals. Man, I run a business here. You hear me? I run a business, bro. I pay rent to be here. You know what I'm saying? I'm not about to get on no motherfucking floor like a dog. You got me fucked up. That's on my mama. Shit. Nigga, I ain't scared of no police. Hey, yeah. This nigga, he coming at me. Little white boy right here coming at me. pistols pointing at us. Everybody in the barbershop telling everybody to lay down. Nigga, I'm not laying down, bro. Hey, yeah, you got me fucked up. I ain't shook. I ain't never been. It got me fucked up. Some young niggas in here fighting, throwing chairs and shit. You know what I'm saying? They think it was an after shooter. It was like, it wasn't nothing but motherfucking little 17, 18. Look at him, he trigger happy. You know what I'm saying? They gonna come lay down the whole barbershop. They don't have nothing to do with the shop, man. Got me fucked up, man. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, got me fucked up. Hey. Man, if y'all seen that shit, how they came in here, bro, that shit there. They and the police the only one who can carry a pistol in the mall. We can't even carry a pistol in the mall. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah. Melon Tree, you seen that shit, Melon Tree? Now we need a lawyer. Cause that shit, man, I'm not, that had me fucked up. I ain't getting on my knees.
Look at him, still got the rifle in his hand.
Yeah.
He just stay walking around with this.
Man, they got me fucked up.
It was 4 of them with rifles just like that. Came in here pointed at every single one of us in this barbershop.
Bro,
people are in here working and getting their hair cut.
Bro, I work here. I make a living here, cutting up, bro. Man, it was some young niggas in here fighting, bro. Fighting and throwing chairs. I know the young niggas, man. They in high school and shit. They done shut down the whole mall. Tell everybody go in their stores. So we all went in our stores. Then soon I'm at the gate by the store. The white boys done run up. Everybody got their pistol out on us, telling us to lay down. Hell nah. I'm straight, bro. I'm straight. You already know, cuz. Man, they got me fucked up. Hey, y'all know my rights. Nigga, I ain't about to lay on the floor like a dog. Dirty ass floor. They got me fucked up. Hey, yeah. All over miscommunication, bro. They gonna shoot everybody in the whole barbershop. We don't even like look, everybody got their uniforms on, bro. We don't even look like we, you know what I'm saying? Everybody got the smoke on, bro. Hey, that was unprofessional, bro. For them to just come in here and tell everybody lay on the ground. Like, I don't understand that shit. Yeah. I'm not about shit. Hey, look, got all them little kids back there shook. Bruh. Yeah, he act like he wanted, he act like he wanted to shoot me, bro. Like, cause I want to go get on the ground, bro. What? Every store in the mall, bro, they pass up, but they come right here to us.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall. Big up and respect to each and everyone, you know? Now, viewers and subscribers, I just showed you a video that is out on social media where it shows of police officers in a shopping mall in the United States of America asking persons to lay down on the ground, face down, right? And based on what has been said on social media and based on what I've heard and seen in the video, it seems as if the police officers were responding to a call of someone having a gun in the mall, you know, and there could be more to that information. However, I'm just telling you based on what I understand from the video and what has been said on social media. However, viewers and subscribers, the exact location as to where this had happened in the United States, I do not have that information, you know, but this video is out on social media where a lot of persons are talking about how the police officers handled this situation, you know, and some are saying that they didn't handle the situation professionally while others were saying something else different, you know. With all those things being said, you know what I mean, I started to think and look at things in other person's point of view or angle of the situation, right? And first of all, I'm going to explain it from the persons that were asked to lay down on the ground from their point of view, right? Now, imagine you're at the mall, whether you work there or you don't work there, isn't it? And someone or a group of people might have started somewhat of a disturbance in the shopping mall, you know what I mean? And it caused for police officers to respond to it. And when they arrive on the scene now, the persons that did this damage or caused this problem fled the scene, and then you're being asked to lay down on the ground. You know what I mean? And even though you're pointing it out, what happened and so forth, you know, you're being asked to lay down on the ground. No, that's going to be, you're going to feel some way, you know, especially, you know, just imagine you're in your good, clean clothing and all these things, and you're being asked to lay down on the ground when you know you did not do anything wrong. You're going to feel a way. You understand me? You see it? But anyways, now we're going to look at it from the angle of the police officers now, right? And a lot of persons might not realize it, but being a police officer can be a very scary job, you know? Imagine you get a call that there's a shooting at a shopping mall. You're going in a public space where there's people everywhere. You might not have a good description of who are the persons that did this thing, you know, and then you go out there. Everybody's going to be a suspect to you. You get me? So therefore, it's like you're going to try and protect yourself in every way. You're going to be like, oh, everybody lay down because what? You heard that there's a shooting there. You see what I'm saying to you? So it's like everybody is you're just on this high alert, you see me? Above all, viewers and subscribers, when I look at this situation, I just don't know how to put it, because the police officers, they have to do their job and do it where they are trying to protect themselves. But at the same time, you know, persons being asked to lay down on the ground, you know, they are going to feel a way. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you don't know, me just point out what I can point out, really and truly, you know, and I'm leaving it with you, my viewers and subscribers, you know, and, you know, I bring it to you so that you can have a look at this video. You can also tell me what you think, you see me? Based on what the police officers had done, did they handle the situation professionally or not? Let me know what you think about this. Alright, viewers and subscribers. Yeah. And this is where I leave it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, there to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I go on. So if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.